Picture a luxury SUV that doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. A vehicle built for the electrified future, yet proudly holding the DNA of a premium brand. The Audi Q6 e-tron is that vehicle. With a bold design, cutting-edge electric tech, and an ultra-capable platform, it's Audi's answer to the next generation of EVs. Today, we're diving deep into everything, from the styling to the cabin, from the powertrain to the tech, and we'll find out if this could be your next electric flagship. Let's go. Starting with the exterior. From the front, the Audi Q6 e-tron presents a confident, modern face. The grille area is closed off in true EV fashion yet retains Audi's iconic cues. Sleek LED headlamps and crisp body lines define its presence on the road. From the side, this SUV has graceful proportions, a long wheelbase, clean surfaces, flush elements, and large alloy wheels that fill the arches with authority. The rims are available in multiple finishes and sizes, giving the Q6 e-tron a distinguished yet athletic stance. At the rear, the wide-set tail lights stretch across the tailgate, emphasizing width and presence. The bumper integrates smoothly, while subtle aerodynamic touches hint at its EV underpinnings. Beyond looks, this SUV is built on Audi's all-new PPE platform, that's Premium Platform Electric. It features a 100 kWh battery, with about 95 kWh usable, offering a balance of performance and range. With such engineering, you're not just getting style, you're getting substance. Step inside, and the Q6 e-tron cabin sets a new benchmark for Audi's electric future. The interior feels refined, high-tech, and unmistakably premium. You're surrounded by soft leather, recycled materials, elegant wood, or aluminum trim depending on the configuration. The seating environment offers space for 5 adults, with excellent legroom and headroom both front and rear. Cargo space is impressive too, thanks to the flat EV floor design. The dashboard looks futuristic. There's a curved glass panel housing 2 major screens, an 11.9-inch Audi virtual cockpit and a 14.5-inch central display with the latest MMI infotainment system. Add to that a passenger display for entertainment or navigation, ambient lighting, and an optional panoramic roof that floods the cabin with light. The Q6 e-tron's cabin is a fusion of technology and tranquility, premium, connected, and comfortable. Now let's talk power and technology. Underneath, the Q6 e-tron rides on the advanced PPE platform co-developed with Porsche. It uses 800-volt electrical architecture, allowing ultra-fast charging up to 270 kilowatts. That means you can go from 10 to 80% charge in roughly 21 minutes at a compatible DC fast charger. The SUV comes in multiple configurations, a single-motor rear-wheel drive and a dual-motor Quattro all-wheel drive. The AWD variant delivers around 456 horsepower, doing 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.6 seconds. The rear-wheel drive model focuses on efficiency, offering a remarkable range of up to 641 kilometers on the WLTP cycle. The 100 kWh battery ensures a strong balance between long-distance usability and high performance. And for everyday use, it's not just quick, it's practical, offering towing capacity up to 2,000 kilograms. When it comes to driving feel, the Q6 e-tron promises Audi's signature ride comfort, precise steering, and a quiet cabin, enhanced further by adaptive damping and advanced noise insulation. The SUV features Audi's latest driver assistance technologies, including lane centering, adaptive cruise control, parking assist, and even optional remote park via smartphone. Inside and out, every detail of this SUV screams next-generation sophistication. So, there you have it, the Audi Q6 e-tron 2026. A luxury electric SUV that blends iconic design, state-of-the-art technology, strong performance, and premium comfort. Whether you're gliding through city streets, enjoying a silent highway cruise, or planning a family road trip, the Q6 e-tron is built to deliver. If you're looking for a refined electric SUV with real-world range, fast charging, and timeless Audi design, this might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which version of the Q6 e-tron you'd pick, the rear-wheel drive for range, or the Quattro for performance. Until next time, stay safe, drive smart, and keep exploring the future of electric mobility.